nice 350. Why can't y'all just learn from that? That would sound like I need to leave.
8:01 p.m.
Well, my homeboy just got this brand new car. No, well, it's not brand new. He got a new car. He's hella happy about it. He got it 2 weeks ago. And then within 2 weeks, got rear-ended by HVAC.
Look at that. Those even noticeable.
It's a little noticeable. You see right there. It's all dented in.
Just right here.
The ding.
Look, if someone hits him again right here, like perfectly, it looks like it's a molded duckbill on
Can I
it.
get over there real quick?
Inglewood? Yeah.
Damn, you want me to drive?
That's why I was kind of not one.
I don't trust Inglewood.
Well, I drove all the way to fucking Malibu. How far is Inglewood?
Oh, this thing Malibu's
Yeah, I was about to say that. So look, isn't it still saying Malibu? Look, Malibu.
I drove nowhere, and I don't want to drive nowhere because that car is not under my now.
Hey, you shouldn't say that on camera, though.
Didn't do my oil change.
Someone hit me right here.
You drove that car another 800 miles the last couple of days.
You got tools.
I did top it off while I was at Mama Lena's because I was like down a quart, so I went. What'd you say?
Nothing.
My plates?
Nah, we'll come back.
I'll report you. I don't care. I'm white.
I believe it.
I'll use that
Sir,
power.
Hey, you're half Mexican.
What are
they
these
can smell it.
modifications on
That's
the
true.
on the FRA?
Modifications is fucking wheels, and that's it right now. Maybe in a non-OEM control arm.
It wasn't exhaust, but he got
Oh, you're
fixed a
talking
ticket,
about my ticket.
and then he got scared and took it off immediately.
Oh,
never put it back
fucking
on.
I didn't
Heck.
take it off immediately. I took it off like 3 months later.
He's never putting it back on.
Nah, it
I'm
ain't
nice,
going back on.
Actually, I've been thinking about it, but it's crooked. It's crooked.
It's
And it's starting to
crooked.
rattle. So I was like,
I sent you a couple,
It's
but I don't know
waddling.
if you want to spend $300.
I don't have the money right now because I just spent over $1,000 on a big time
That's
restaurant.
why you gotta be like me.
Get a credit card. How am I get a payment on Facebook Marketplace?
No, you just get a fucking.
How do you
legit-
make payments on Facebook Marketplace? Somebody
being
tell me
poor.
in the comments.
If you
Being broke
What
ass.
do you do? Take a credit card, go buy Visa debit cards, and then pull cash like that?
You do a payment on Facebook Marketplace by paying them in Venmo and then pulling that shit out a refund as you drive away.
You're right.
if they're not scammers, there's a lot of scammers out there.
Yeah,
Careful.
that's what I'm saying. I'm saying
I'm
you're a
one of
scam.
those.
Okay.
So if you see anything about 240s in our town,
No,
you may
no.
get it.
If you see anything about 240s with a Mexican profile pic, then it's a problem in our town.
if you see me with the Subaru in front of my photo, you're getting scammed.
Yeah, I mean,
That's crazy.
low key.
I should probably. You're not gonna
Like-
post this
like-
for a cool minute though, so
Yeah.
because I'm gonna
Like-
post some shit.
I'm be so fucking real. It might be like 2 days, bro.
2,000 years later.
If at any point you were wondering why it seemed that I'd have taken a 2-week vacation or hiatus, it was because my laptop decided to commit unalive and basically bricked fully. So I had to take it in and get it repaired. I just got it back, so look forward to that. your time is limited.
Go where?
No, you're right, because I still have back shit I have to
Malibu? Right now?
make.
After Inglewood,
After Inglewood? We're going to Inglewood?
if you
I
want.
get back up, bro.
If you like it.
Right now?
Oh, you've been driving for 5 hours.
Right now I'm down.
No.
No.
No?
This side right here.
Well, fucking, I'm down, bro.
I'm not feeling
What am I
Inglewood.
I'm
thinking?
down.
It's like right here.
Oh, what car did you
In
bring?
between, but going
Me?
right.
Yeah.
240.
Right here.
It's over there behind Mason's car.
Behind Jason, right?
No.
Inglewood is not on Coast Stewart. Inglewood's in
I
LA.
know, no,
We went to Inglewood for Big Time Rush last
I know.
year.
I'm trying to think what's in the middle. Then look.
No, I'm not singing all that.
Kia Fora!
So it's-
So good. Oh my god.
Look, say look.
Sorry, Phil.
Don't be scared. Trust.
He's
You're gonna get copyrighted.
I'm gonna get copyrighted.
Yeah, he is. So I'm
Some
doing
bullshit.
And then
Bro was bumping that shit the whole way, bro. And I had to do a dub over
it. I'm
video.
doing it the whole way there. You had your
Blah,
shit
blah,
playing.
blah, blah.
and
And
then
then, like, half the way back here, I had it bumping.
what am I thinking?
into the city.
What am I thinking that's more deeper than? What's close? Let's get him.
What?
Compton, bitches!
Yeah, he's actually just racist. He's not funny.
That's what
I'm not racist.
I'm
Wearing a flannel. I can't be
Mom
racist.
texted me. He's
I'm
like,
wearing
yo,
a
I forgot that
I like
post
that.
out.
Keep going, bro.
I know, thanks
Keep digging
for
that hole.
My dad bought it for me. It's a Dixon. It's a Dixon flannel.
Alright.
Yeah. My dad was like, "Yeah, you have some cheap ghetto flannels,"
Oh.
and then he
His
got me
dad
this
gave
one.
him a dick.
My dad took a screenshot.
My brother. He's working today.
Yeah, he's a laborer right now. He's not doing that stuff. But still, he's a laborer up there. He's probably gonna get laid off soon because he says all they do is sit around and clean sometimes right now.
Oh.
He used to call me when he was working. That's it.
I thought he stopped talking to you like a year ago.
He used to call me fuckhead.
Yeah, I know.
It's called ears. You use them.
You gotta say years.
Bro.
It's like I haven't talked to Ant.
Bro, it's retarded.
What's up? The black guy?
Yeah, that guy.
We're like the
What?
ones on the bus.
Why didn't you? Why?
Why? Because he's racist. He called him the
I believe it though. Go for a walk, guys. Go for
Where
a
we going?
walk. Where? The liquor store, actually.
Oh, I'm down.
There's no reason to drive.
That is
All
true.
And so we go.
For it.
A few moments later.
Bro, there's some fucking homeless guy following us. What the fuck?
Oh, you're talking to him.
It's okay though. Our Mexican assassin's right behind him. Look at this pretty ass bitch.
So much later that the old narrator got tired of waiting and they had to hire a new one.
Happy fuckhead. Alright, welcome back to the Dead Space channel. Today we are at what is called Get Your Shit. A shitty ass meat. We got that one. That will do it. Yeah, I assume you already checked everything out.
Not really everything. We just.
You want to walk around?
No.
No?
Like 3 lanes.
3 lanes? Puddle
So
here.
walk down that lane.
I'm going to. Fuck. This ain't. There you go. Damn. Starting all right, feel smart. That's 14. Fucking Tyler's lady. Nice. Nah, you're good, dude. I was just getting in line. This one right here. On the tripod bar. These boys are over here. Right here. Oh, what the fuck is all that right there? My piece of shit. What sounds like? I don't even lie. Ciao.
You wanna hear some pop?
That one's pretty good. Won't even lie. Come on, what am I gonna get? Oh shit. Come on. Give me something to look at.
Alright, there's the car, as usual. You know how it'd be. I kinda wanna get a shot of the red one. That red one's so nice. Yeah, I like showed up like 5 minutes before it ended, I'm not gonna lie. Look at that thing. So pretty. Oh, that's a nice 350. Why can't y'all just run for that? That would sound like I need to leave. What do you think?
Look,
Hummel, that sounds like I need to leave. What do you think?
it does sound.
That sounds like it, folks. Either way, they're coming in the.
I wish we still had our car.
12 o'clock midnight.
Late one time because I didn't have any fucking footage and they didn't want to go out. I was like, you fuckers. I was like, you know I'm actually doing this seriously, right? I was like, I'm just trying to get it done. And this is a nice ass fucking spot. Right?
Take a picture.
Oh god, that's so funny. Hell yeah, that's a nice ass shit right there. And then, fuck it, yeah. I'll just go this way. God damn. Fuck yeah. You just follow me. Shit. Oh, by the way, I censor that, so you don't have to worry about it. Fuck yeah. Should I fuck yeah, you already know, I fucks that style of wheels. I love 5 spokes. I fucking hate everything else. Like, my weirdest beef is I can't stand, like, what do they call, like, the super popular ones? Like the TE37s?
Yeah.
Can't stand them. I don't like them. I like them on, like, Evos.
I like that deep dish shit.
Oh, come back one more time and just kind of get like right in the middle of the car. There you go. Oh, you can turn off. Fuck yeah. Do you want to like talk about it real quick or something? Just like 30 seconds.
No idea.
The little interview style shit. Now you're good. All right, for sure.
Maybe watch your videos, maybe we can link up again.
Hell yeah, for sure. I'll hit you up. Probably on Insta.
Yeah.
You'll know when I hit you, the random ass fucking can't spell name. You'll be like, that's him.
Who the fuck is? I'm gonna wake up to